watching Dante's Boxing Nation.
Timing and rhythm. Timing and rhythm.
Yep.
Right here. You wanna go back?
Shaq Daddy. Oh, man.
It was her defense.
You was almost the #1 draft pick, man.
Not my game. This is my game right here.
That's what it is. You
bring my man
I want to know what this shit feel like, man. Training so hard.
Good rhythm, very agile.
That's the thing about Chris, man. Once you tell him fix something one time, you ain't got to worry about telling him no more, man. That's it. He like a machine, man.
Yeah.
Get it right. You don't get it right the first time, you get it right the second time. You know, no more mistakes.
Coach, that's what I was saying. The thing that impressed me most about Chris was the fact that how many guys would have shut down after that first round with Russo? You know what I mean? But he did. He kept his composure. That shows mental fortitude. Very strong mentally.
Exactly. And that all goes back to the kickboxing stuff. A lot of people don't know that he has that background. They think, oh, the people that don't really know boxing, all they see is he's undefeated in boxing. They don't know he's been fighting his whole life.
Exactly.
This ain't nothing new to him.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. That's what it is.
Well, another thing we really been working on too, man, is using Chris's size. So y'all gonna see two things happen in the fight. One, he gonna control him with just straight boxing. He gonna control him with the jab, using his ring general shit. And then number two, he gonna use his size on Pacquiao. So we gonna see when he come out 5th, 6th round, when Pacquiao really start slow down a little bit, his legs start to tighten up. That's where you're gonna see Chris's nutritionist. After what he does for a living besides boxing, that's when that good feel's gonna kick into his body. That's when he's gonna step it up another level.
The late rounds, that's when you win on conditioning.
Exactly.
He got superior conditioning.
That's it.
We over here talking to trainer, Coach Mike Newman, one of the best trainers out here in the country. So you think he gonna surprise him with that power tonight?
Oh, most definitely, man. We got a good game plan going into the fight. Chris is a lot stronger than people give him credit for. His punching power, like I told you earlier, man, he hurt me with the right hand the first week of training. So, you know, I'm telling everybody out there right now, man, that right hand is gonna give Pacquiao a lot of problems come November 22nd, man. It's gonna be it may be an early night for Pacquiao if he get caught with that straight right hand come the middle rounds, man. Chris, first half of the fight, Chris will control him with that good jab that everybody knows Chris for. And the later half of the fight, if Pacquiao's still there, then Chris got something else for his ass. He's gonna control him with his size and his power. Gonna sit down on some of the shots, man, and teach Pacquiao a lesson. He will never forget.
That's what it is for my man Mike Newsom over here.
Hey, right now it's time for a new face in boxing. Pacquiao, you're on your way out, baby. It's time for a new face, Chris Algieri. This Team Algieri right here, baby. November 22nd, y'all gonna see something new. Y'all gonna see something worth tuning into every time you hear the name Chris Algieri. November 22nd, it's on. It's a new face in boxing. Watch what I say. He's never lost a fight. Chris is a 2-time world champion kickboxer. He's been fighting since he was a young kid. He don't know the feeling of losing, and that's why he trains so hard. And that's one thing a lot of fighters don't do. Chris will never stop training. He trains year-round. He's always doing something. Strength conditioning. He eats right. He has a master's degree in nutrition. He knows the right fuel to put in his body, as opposed to what a lot of fighters is doing off just eating stuff that they think is right. He knows what's right to put in his body, and all that stuff shows up in the fight, man. Whether it's in the middle of the fight or the later part of the fight, man. it all shows up. It's like putting good gas in your car. Eventually, that good gas can make that car run longer and stronger. Put that shitty gas in there, and they put that shitty gas in that Range Rover, it's gonna be running like shit. So we'll see, man. It's gonna be a good fight. It's gonna be something to tune into, man. So please, everybody, just you know, keep an eye on Chris Algieri. It's just a new day in boxing. It's a new day. I promise.
That's what it is. You guys heard it from trainer Mike Newson. They trying to shock the world, November 22nd.
Shocking the world, baby. Shocking the world. That's what's up.
That's what it is. Thanks for your time, man.
Thank you.